Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello and welcome back to another video. This is Norma Acosta with Mommy's DIYs. And in this video, we're gonna put together the different steps that we did in the last 3 videos. If you haven't watched those videos, there are 3 short videos that are gonna teach you how to align, how to curve, and how to connect cursive words with the cricut. And that is considered the cricut for beginners. So if you haven't done that, I'm gonna put the links above, or you can go on my list and you can learn that. Because at this point, we're going to take those 3 classes and we're going to combine all these 3 to make this nice print for a t-shirt. Okay, we're going to use vinyl, heat press vinyl, and this is exactly what we're going to do. I already have my words ready, so let's go ahead and get rid of this one. The way that I don't delete this, but I click on it, and then I go to the side, and here it is. And all I do is I save it, I hide it. Okay, so let me go ahead and bring all my words. I already have them here. I already put them together. Everything has been done. So we're just going to put all this together and we're going to print them and we're going to put them in a t-shirt. So right here I'm putting right now the two fonts that I use for these, but you can definitely use whatever font you want. Okay, so what we're going to do, we basically are going to line up our words here and make sure they're, we're also going to apply the other option that we aligned all in the middle. So first we have Waymaker, and then we have Miracle Worker. So we just kind of put them in the middle. Okay. Promise Keeper, Light of Darkness, My God, that is who you are, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring this one in. I'm gonna curve this to bring it a little bit inside. And you can do whatever you want, play with it and see what you like to do. I'm gonna make it a little bigger right there. Okay, so then we're making this one also bigger. So I'm making this one 8.40 inches up here. And then the next one is this one's 8.63, so it's slightly bigger. And then Promise Keeper, we're gonna do it like a little bigger than all the other ones. And remember what I told you, because each phrase is not, the length of the phrase is not the same way. If you want to keep them of the same size, you go by the height, okay? And as long as your height is the same, then you're okay. So we're doing this a little bigger right here, just about the same as Promise Keeper. Here we go. And then My God goes right in the middle. And then this one, we're going to curve it as well. So we're only going to be curving the one on top and the one in the bottom. Okay, so we just almost like if it's hugging the word, and we're just going to make it so that it aligns properly. Okay. So that's, I'm happy with that. It's going like small, bigger, bigger, be a little bigger, and then this is small right in the middle, and then the last one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, remember what we did on the other video. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch that first. We're grabbing the whole thing by getting our finger on the left hand side, hold it together, and grab it all at once. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go down here, and we already talked about that. We're going to be welding everything. Okay, So now if you look, here's the whole word all together. See right there? It's all together. This is the vinyl that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna use it in this nice shirt that I just, yesterday I worked with it. It was a white shirt, and I dyed it in like a navy blue. Okay, so we want a color. It's a green. You don't have to, right here we're picking the color. I want a green. It doesn't necessarily have to be the right green, but here's the idea. So here, okay, so here it is. So now we're gonna go to make it, and here it is. And then we're gonna go to right here to mirror and see how it turned it. Okay, and remember to bring it out from the red line a little bit. And we're gonna go down to continue. There it is, and we have it on iron on. I put it on plus because I like to really cut the letters nicely. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our vinyl right there, right in here. Okay, and you see how I put it upside down? Okay, you put it upside down. You just put it in here, click on the arrow, let it align, and then when the C turns on, just go ahead and press the C, and we'll go ahead and let it print. So here it is. I already printed and weed it out, so it's ready for us to put it on the t-shirt. So there are many ways that you can apply an image on your t-shirts, but for me this is the easiest one. I mean, you can stick to whichever one you think is easier for you. So this is look at how pretty it came out. And I do this for two reasons. First one is to get all the moisture out of the t-shirt, and second one to create a line in the middle so we know where to put our shirt. So it's only a few seconds. And I have my heat press at 320, and I have it for 18 seconds. Okay, so if you look at it, it has that line right here where you're going to put your image. Okay, so from the B, you're going to go about 3 fingers from where it starts. So you're going to put I mark with my nail, and then you're going to get your whatever it is that you want to press. And what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to go halfway and put a mark on that, and then I'm going to go halfway the other way and put a mark on that. So those two are going to be going right in the line. So I have my marks right there, and I have my marks right here, and everything is put down nicely. So, and I'm going to put the heat press that I'm using. I also have a video that talks to you about the difference between this heat press and one from Amazon, if you want to look it up. And I'm also going to put on the comments the kind of vinyl that I use that is very easy to weed, and the thermal sheet where I got it and why I chose that one. So you're just going to put it right in there, and you're going to go 18 seconds. And I usually, once it's pressed, you'll see right now. So it's super easy. This t-shirt, you can sell it for $15 to $17, depending on how much your investment is. Usually, my t-shirts, these ones I got them for $3. So you multiply this by 3. 3 times 3 is $9. So it's $9 for this here, and then another $6 for the print, and that includes your work. because it's already, you can either add time or duplicate the price of your investment. Okay, for me, duplicating or triplicating the price of my investment is been easier than if I calculate the time, especially when I'm doing more than one project at a time. So once I already pulled out this thing, I'm gonna press it again for another few seconds without it, just to make sure that everything is right in place. So we're gonna go maybe about 10 seconds. Okay, and there it is. Look at how pretty it looks. Okay, you can try with different colors. So I'm going to be selling this one for $15, and I'm going to have them available in size small to extra large. 2 extra large up to 4 extra large is $3 more. 5 extra large is, I think, $5 more. Okay, and it's only because when we bought the t-shirts, they cost us that much more. Okay, so you're only increasing the price of the t-shirts. So here it is, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and we'll see you the next time. Goodbye.